Passing the phone to someone whose nose is their whole personality. Passing the phone to someone who needs custom-made clothing because their body is shaped like a hot dog. Passing the phone to someone who ran away one time just for the drama. Passing the phone to someone who ruined Abby's status as an only child. Passing the phone to someone who can't go to sleep unless their parents walk them up to bed and tuck them in. Passing the phone to someone Abby will eat whole if they slander her name one more time.